Good morning everyone. My name is Mrudula, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss a topic called Electrical System for the Elevators. These are the contents which I am going to discuss today, like what is an elevator, what are the parts of the elevator and principle of elevator, their types as well as their applications. What is an elevator? An elevator can be defined as an electric lift which is used for vertical transportation of goods as well as the people among the floors in a building by using the bins otherwise. So the elevator can be used for lifting the people as well as the goods. That means the elevators are being used in commercial as well as in the residential applications also. And these are activated with electrical motors that also used to drive the counterweight system cables for driving the transactions such as hoist, otherwise pump hydraulic fluids for raising the cylindrical pistons such as jack. Means these are the different parts which are being used in the elevators. They are used in many areas like agriculture, manufacturing, and elevators are classified into different types based on the different requirements. Elevators are frequently used in the latest constructions, in particularly wherever ramps of wheelchairs would be not practical. So, what are the different parts which are being used in the elevators for its function? The elevators have been around for many years, like speed governors. The speed regulating system of the elevator is being known as the speed governor. If the elevator runs more than the speed limit, the speed governor controls the speed, and it's usually attached to the bottom of the car and is known as governor rope. Next one is electric motor. In case the lift faces any serious condition, the electric motor helps in preventing and provides a smooth functioning of the lifts. Next one is elevator rails. The sliding up and down in the elevator is possible with proper functioning of these elevator rails. Next one is the cabin. The cabin where people can stand as well as where the goods can be placed. This is the main part of the elevator which is designed for the shipment of goods and services or the passage of persons. So next one is elevator shaft. The lift cabin moves in this space. This means the space in which the cabin can move up and down is nothing but the elevator shaft. So depending upon the type of the elevator, the location of the shaft can be varied. The next one is doors. As normal doors, elevator doors are also meant for the entry as well as for the exit. So elevator doors are of two types, manual as well as automatic. Manual doors, these type of doors are opened with the help of a person who wants to enter or exit the lift. Next one is automatic doors. The automatic doors are the type of doors which are automatically opened as it is powered by a door operator. Next one is drive unit. That means everything that works under the electricity must have a motor attached for it. So for the smooth functioning, and driver unit is the part which contains the motor that drives the lift. Next one is buffers. The buffer is an apparatus located at the bottom of the elevator, and designed to protect the people. So these buffers can stop a descending car by accumulating or dissipating the kinetic energy of the car. So based on the kinetic energy of the car, they can be accumulating as well as dissipating the energy. Next one is safety device. This is a mechanical device attached to the elevator for safety reasons. In case the lift travels downwards with a maximum speed or over a speed limit, safety device can maintain a safety as well as secure traveling. So these are some of the parts of the elevator mostly used. What is the working principle? The working principle of an elevator is similar to a pulley system. A pulley system is used to draw the water from the well previously. So this pulley system, the same technology is being used here. The same principle is being used here in order to pull the cabin. So this pulley system can be designed with a bucket, a rope as well as a wheel. The bucket is connected to the rope which is being thrown in the well. So similar to the present elevators, use the same concept. The main difference between the two is the pulley systems are being operated manually, and here we are operating using a sophisticated mechanism with the combination of different control systems as well as different motor systems. So basically an elevator is a metal box in different shapes which can be connected to a very tough metal rope. This tough metal rope passes through the sheave or a elevator in the engine room. Here it is like a wheel in a pulley system for clutching the metal rope strongly. This system can be operated by using a motor, and when the switch is turned on, the motor is activated, and when the elevator goes up and down or stops. These are the different types of electric elevators. Like the elevator can be a passenger elevator, which is mostly used for lifting the people, and the second one is foreign elevator, mostly used for hotels and apartments and stores, and special elevators mostly used in garages. The next one is combination of elevators, which is mixedly used for passengers as well as for the goods. Applications of these elevators. We can use these elevators in the apartments, in multi-storied buildings, in hotels, in stores, in traction systems and in mines, etc. The requirements of elevators. The different requirements are like, first one is the motor drive for smooth working of the elevator, and it can be easily controlled by switching on and off the motor. Next one is size, suitable for the space which is being allotted to it, and next one is speed. For different purposes the speed will vary, and the location, the suitable location for lifting the goods as well as the people. Here you can see the quality of a service. The quality of service you can categorize into different categories, like 20 to 25 seconds of lifting time you will call it as an excellent, and 30 to 35 you will be giving a rating of good, 30 to 35 it is fair, 40 to 45 it is poor, and over 45 seconds it is unsatisfactory. For hospital lifts, as I said, the lifts can be used at different places in residential as well as in commercial spaces. So when it comes under the case of hospital lifts, where the beds are being used, are elevators are being used to carry these beds as well as the patients. So up to 4 floors, the speed should be 0.5 meters per second. The recommended speed is 0.5 meters per second. For 5 to 8 floors of building, it is around 0.75 meters per second, and above 8 floors it is 1 meters per second. So these are the recommended speeds for different levels of floors. When it comes under the residential building, for residential buildings, it is for 4 to 8 floors it is 1 meters per second. For 8 to 12 floors it is 1.5 meters per second, and above 12 floors it is above 1.5 meters per second. Here you can compare the hospital lifts as well as the residential lifts. The speed is more when compared to residential building speed is more when compared to the hospital lifts. The third one is office building. In office building passenger lifts, up to 4 to 5 floors, the speed is 1 meters per second, 6 to 12, 1.5, and above 12, it is 1.5 meters per second. It is, here you can see it is almost similar to the residential buildings. Goods lift, which is mainly used for lifting the goods. So up to 6 floors, it is 0.5 meters per second, and above 6 floors, it is 0.5 meters per second. Here, the speed of this goods lift is very less when compared to the remaining types, that is the hospital, the residential buildings. Why? Because in order to reduce the damage of the goods which is being placed in the elevator, in order to reduce the damage, the speed of the elevator is reduced from 1.5 millisecond to 0.5 to 0.75 meters per second. Here you can see the different elevator types. That is, the first type is based on the working principle. Based on the working principle, you can categorize them into electric traction elevator as well as hydraulic elevator. Means based on the principle on which the elevators are being functioning, based on that they are categorized into electric traction as well as hydraulic elevator. The second type of categorization is based on the building type. So based on the building type, it can be a passenger elevator or a panoramic elevator or a hospital elevator or automobile elevator or foreign elevator or home elevator and dumbwaiter. So there are different types of elevators based on the working principle as well as based on the building in which these elevators are being used. It is clear that the function of the elevator is to transport at a fixed place. That means in a fixed space from one floor to the other floor, we need to lift the goods as well as people. So for this purpose, we will be using this elevator, and there are many types of electrical elevators are being used according to the need, situation and the purpose. So the electrical vehicle elevators these days are used in almost each and every buildings, like hostels, buildings, malls, garages, offices, schools, offices, as well as hospitals. So there is a great usage of these elevators nowadays. In next topic, I would like to discuss about topic called battery banks. Thank you.